While making a clarion call, thousands of farmers are heading to the national capital demanding a rollback of 3 farm laws enacted by Parliament in the month of September. After high-voltage face-offs between police personnel and the protesting farmers on Thursday, the farmers have begun their Delhi Chalo march once again. Straight away, I'm going to cut across to my colleague Mohit Bhatt, who's getting us live inputs on the story from Singhu border. Mohit, over to you. What's happening there?
Well, you see, additional CP MS Randhawa is here, and he just had word with the farmer representatives, and he has just gone inside. So clearly, the farmers came over here, and they said that they want to move from this Singhu borders barricade towards Delhi. Now, this is the main entry of Delhi at the GT Canal Road, and you can see barbed wires have been put over here. Senior officials of Delhi Police and Haryana Police, and also RAF, paramilitary, Central Armed Forces, they are all deployed here. So people who had word with them will just try to talk to them and see that what exactly they have to say. Paji, we'll just try to talk to them. Sir, आपकी क्या बात हुई है अभी?
बात तो यही हुई है अभी अपने दूसरी जथेबंदी नाला के इकट्ठी गल कर रही है।
अभी पुलिस ने मना कर दिया आपको जाने के लिए?
नहीं, मना किया।
क्या बोला उन्होंने?
उन बोलते हैं इकट्ठे आओ, गल करो इकट्ठे आके।
अच्छा, एक चीज़ आपसे जानना चाहेंगे सर, आप लोग यहाँ पे बैठे हैं, पूरा आप लोग ये तैयार है कि आप लोग यहाँ पे वेट करेंगे?
वेट करेंगे, दिल्ली भी जाएंगे, दिल्ली जाएंगे।
जाके मेन मांग क्या है सर?
हम मोदी सर से बात करना चाहते हैं, जो हमारे फायदे के लिए बात हो रही है ना, तो हमसे बात कर लें बैठ कर।
पुलिस ये कह रही है नहीं जाने देंगे। सुबह भी टीयर गैस शेल पुलिस की तरफ से फायर हुआ था, वो ये कह रही है आप आगे मत आइए, इस बॉर्डर के पार हम नहीं जाने देंगे। तो आपका अगला एक्शन क्या होगा? क्या आप यहीं पे धरना देंगे?
हमने कुछ नहीं करना, हम ना इनको कुछ बोलेंगे, हाँ शांति से, प्रेम से, प्यार से बात करेंगे। मोदी सर से यही हमारी बेनती है कि वो इन लोगों की बात सुने, यानी कि हमारी बात सुने।
There you heard people, the farmers over here, they are saying they want to talk to the Prime Minister, they want to talk to a delegation, and they wanted to go towards that side, but it has been completely blocked. And you can see behind me, that is where the Delhi police is. I'll ask my camera person to be on these visuals, because these visuals are very important, and it shows that how volatile the situation is on the ground. The RAF is ready with their gear. Police is again and again making announcement that they are not allowed to go towards that side, and you can see another board has been put up over here, which clearly says that due to COVID-19 pandemic, people are not allowed to move toward that side in huge numbers. But yes, on this side of me is police, RAF, Central Armed Forces with all their anti-riot vehicles, water cannon, everything is sorted over here. But and I will just like to inform our viewers that this is the GT Canal Road that comes from Chandigarh towards Delhi. It has been blocked from both the sides. So if they are planning to go from Delhi to Chandigarh, Sonipat, Panipat, or they are planning to come towards Delhi side, they should take an alternate route, because this particular
right
GT
now
road
it seems,
is
Mohit,
completely
even those alternate
blocked.
routes are not available for people who want to travel from one state to the other because of this farmers' protest. I want to quickly go across to other reporters as well. Vajiullah and Priyank Tripathi are both in Sonipat, but Priyank, I think at the moment, if I can come to you, just give us a sense of the updates which are coming in from Sonipat side. This is again one of those areas where farmers from Haryana are expected to march with their colleagues from Punjab towards Delhi. What are you witnessing?
Yes, Preeti, we are right opposite the Amrik Sukhdev Dhaba at Murthal, which is also in Sonipat. And all these farmers have stopped here because they saw us doing live, and they want to talk to us. आप लोग कब से निकले हैं ये हर कोई देख रहा है। अब दिल्ली जा रहे हैं आप लोग, आगे की रणनीति क्या है?
हम लोग 25 तारीख से निकले हैं, तो दिल्ली की पूरी तैयारी है, दिल्ली पहुंचेंगे। कल हमको शंभू बॉर्डर पे जाके वहाँ शंभू बॉर्डर को तोड़ना पड़ा, वहाँ से निकले, आज ये 2-3 बॉर्डर जितने क्रॉस करके अब दिल्ली को कूच हो गया, पूरे दिल्ली जा रहे हैं। गुरदासपुर से निकले हम 25 तारीख से।
अब पार्लियामेंट से पारित किया हुआ ये सारी चीज़ें हैं, लॉज आपके आए हुए हैं, एक झटके में चीज़ें नहीं खत्म होंगी, समय लगेगा, तो तब तक क्या करेंगे आप?
ਅਸੀਂ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਚਿਰ ਸਾਡਾ ਇਹ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਹੱਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲਦਾ, ਐਡੀਨੈਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਵਾਪਸ ਹੁੰਦੇ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਚਿਰ ਹੀ ਇਹ ਯਾਰੀ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨੇ ਧਰਨੇ ਜਾਰੀ ਰਹਿਣਗੇ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਚਿਰ ਸੰਘਰਸ਼ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਾਡਾ ਜਾਰੀ ਰਹੇਗਾ।
2.5 ਮਹੀਨੇ ਤੋਂ ਮੌਕਾ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ, 2.5 ਮਹੀਨੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਕਟ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। ਆ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ 2.5 ਮਹੀਨੇ ਤੋਂ ਵਾਰਨਿੰਗ ਦੇ ਰਹੇ ਸੀਗੇ ਵੀ ਬੰਦੇ ਬਣ ਜਾਓ, ਬਿੱਲ ਵਾਪਸ ਕਰ ਲਓ। ਸਾਡੀਆਂ ਮੀਟਿੰਗਾਂ ਬੁਲਾਈਆਂ ਗਈਆਂ, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲਿਆ, ਹਾਰ ਕੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕਦਮ ਚੁੱਕਣਾ ਪਿਆ, ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਦਿੱਲੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਰਵਾਨਾ, ਕੋਈ ਸੌਖੇ ਰਵਾਨਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਏ।
What he's saying that they waited for long, but since the demands were not fulfilled, they are bound to go. आपको भी पता है कि अब कानून आप बात करेंगे? जी, let me come get back to him. एक दिन में नहीं होने वाला, जैसे मैं आपको बता रहा था, समय लगने वाला है। तो तब तक पूरी दिल्ली बंद हो जाएगी। दिल्ली के लोग भी कह रहे हैं कि अगर प्रदर्शन करना था तो दिल्ली के बाहर का कोई इलाका होना चाहिए या बिल्कुल दिल्ली के बीच में बैठेंगे आपको?
ਦੇਖੋ ਜੀ, ਦਿੱਲੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੱਡੀ ਵੱਡੀਆਂ ਗਰਾਊਂਡਾਂ ਵਾ, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰਦਰਸ਼ਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਰਾਮਲੀਲਾ ਗਰਾਊਂਡ ਆ, ਦੂਜੀ ਜੰਤਰ ਮੰਤਰ ਗਰਾਊਂਡ ਆ, ਗਰਾਊਂਡਾਂ 'ਚ ਬੈਠਦੇ ਨੇ ਸ਼ਾਂਤਮਈ। ਜੇ 3 ਮਹੀਨੇ ਤੋਂ ਸ਼ਾਂਤਮਈ ਅਸੀਂ ਧਰਨੇ ਲਾਏ ਆ, ਸਾਡਾ ਰਾਈਟ ਆ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਸਾਡਾ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਦੇਸ਼ ਦਾ ਰਾਜਾ ਵਾ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮੋਦੀ ਆ, ਇਹ ਦੇਸ਼ ਦਾ ਰਾਜਾ ਵਾ, ਇਹਨੂੰ ਸੋਚਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਬਸ ਮੇਰੀ ਪ੍ਰਜਾ ਖਰਾਬ ਹੋਣ ਦੀ ਆ। ਤੇ ਇਹ ਕਰਕੇ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਾਨੂੰਨ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਰੱਦ ਕਰੇ। ਨਹੀਂ ਰੱਦ ਕਰਨਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ 'ਚ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਉੱਥੇ ਬੈਠਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਦੇਵੇ, ਗਰਾਊਂਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਬਹਿ ਕੇ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰੇ ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਾਨੂੰਨ ਹੈ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਰੱਦ ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰਨੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਆ। ਰੱਦ ਹੋਣੇ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ ਆ, ਜਿੰਨਾ ਚਿਰ ਰੱਦ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਇਹ ਕਿਸਾਨ ਵਾਪਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਣੇ। ਲੱਖਾਂ ਦੇ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਨਾਲ ਕਿਸਾਨ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆ ਦਿੱਲੀ 'ਚ ਵੜ ਗਏ ਆ।
Kisan Union!
So there you heard, let me translate it for you, for the viewers, that what they are saying, that they can sit at Jantar Mantar, they can sit at the Ramlila Maidan where there is a designated area for protest side, but till the time their demands, as our colleagues have also been pointing out, is fulfilled, they will stay put there. So we have been telling you to our viewers also, Preeti, since yesterday, that these Kisans have come here well prepared. Let me once again show you the visuals of these hundreds and thousands of trucks and tractors which are moving towards the national capital. They had a very easy access after breaking the multi-layers of barricades, and the youth and the farmers of Punjab and Haryana are barely 20 kilometers away from Singhu border.
Just about 20 kilometers away from entering Delhi, from entering that barricade point at Singhu. Now, in Wajiullah's frame also, I see thousands of farmers gathered there, all set to march ahead to Delhi. Waji, take it away from here. Talk to people and tell us what is it that the Delhi administration should actually be prepared for if these farmers are not going to budge an inch and go back to where they came from.
It's not going to be an easy task to stop the spirit of the farmers and the protesters over here. As you can see, we are at the education city in Sonipat. It was empty an hour back, but now all the farmers have come here. And the next stop from this place is your Sindhu border close to Delhi. Now that is where you're going to go from here. But I'm going to show you something really interesting. There were no tractors over here as of now. They've somehow managed to get a tractor for themselves over here. Now they are trying to they've covered the barricading over there. And you can see the usage of tractors over here to remove the barricades that have been placed by the Haryana police. Now yesterday we saw them taking sand from the Kanori border, removing the sand that have been placed by the police officers and the administration to block the view. And now you can see the use of tractor. Can I just show my visual camera person to show you the visual? So this is the spirits of the farmers that they've come here, and they are not going to stop. This is going to go on because you can see they're by hook or by crook, they are trying to make way for their protesters, for their farmers to walk all the way to Delhi despite all the hurdles that have been placed by the administration against them. You can see one of the stones have been pulled away with the help of this tractor. So this is something that the administration is not able to stop, because you can see the police presence is also there. But they are all standing as mute spectators because in front of the spirit, it is very difficult for them to control too. The farmers are not going to move. They are going to do everything in their capacity to make sure that they reach Delhi, and that is something that you are witnessing right here, right behind me. And we are just one stop away from Delhi. The next stop will be Delhi for them, and after that it is going to be chaotic for both Haryana and for the Delhi administration to control them. This is where we are reporting from right now, Preeti.
It's a massive challenge for the authorities to contain these farmers at the borders and stop them from entering Delhi. Now, Haryana government has made all the arrangements that it was capable of to stop the farmers, not just yesterday, but even today. There is massive police presence, and even the rapid action teams of the forces have been employed to contain the farmers, to stop them from marching ahead. But what we are witnessing in those visuals being sent across by our reporters is that the spirit of the farmer is so strong that it's not going to be easy for anyone to stop them in their tracks. Gurpreet, I want to come across to you now. We saw at Shambhu border massive action yesterday. Now, similarly, thousands of farmers are gathered elsewhere. Is Shambhu border relatively quiet today?
Well, that if we can talk about Shambhu border, this was the main flashpoint yesterday, and today we can see that all the arrangements have been made by the police. We were talking to the police officer to understand why these barricades have been put up, because there is no public transport is allowed to enter Haryana also, and we can see that there are not any farmer here. The farmer unions, they say that most of the farmers, they have already entered Haryana, and they are moving towards Delhi, because Delhi Chalo Andolan was the main on today, and that's why they had already gone from here. But at the same time, the police officers say that they have already taken precautions and they don't want to take any chance. But they are gathering at this point of time, from the intelligence report, they are gathering this point of time that more people will move from various villages, various districts of the Punjab. So that's why the barricades have already been put up, and I'll request my Vijay to show that yesterday the barricades which they had thrown into river, that they are also pulling out from the river also to put out the barricades, because today that heavy deployment has already been made. But at this point of time, if we can talk about the farmer side, farmer unions haven't reached there, because most of the farmer unions said that all the leaders have already entered Haryana and they are moving towards Delhi. But yes, of course, they say that there are some inputs that more people are likely to be moved from Punjab. So that's why this is the first border, as we know, this is the first border of Haryana and last border of Punjab. This was the border of yesterday, which was the first the farmers they had broken and they entered Haryana from this side. So keeping in view for all these things, the Haryana government, Haryana police is taking all the precautions so that if the more movement will be from Punjab, they will be able to stop them here. They are trying to do their best, and yesterday it was totally failure of Haryana police. But today there is lot of force also. We can see that lot of senior officers, they are visiting this site again and again to give
Gurpreet,
more
stay
and
with
more
me. I want to
direction
just quickly update our viewers with some breaking inputs which are just coming in, and this is from the national capital, where the Delhi police, anticipating these farmers to cross over to Delhi soon, has asked Delhi government for permission to use 9 stadiums as temporary jails for farmers who are expected to be arrested during protests. Now, makeshift jails will be made out of 9 stadiums as per the Delhi police's assessment, because these farmers who are coming across from Punjab and Haryana are huge in number, and therefore the Delhi police is requesting the Delhi government to give the permission to convert these stadiums as temporary jails. Bhavtosh, in fact, has got more inputs for us on the story. But okay, before we do that, I want to go across to Mohit Bhatt right now, who is reporting from Singhu border. And Mohit, the assessment of Delhi police, it seems, is quite correct, because the number is so huge that there is no way that these people can be contained at the borders for long. And if they happen to come to Delhi, then as per orders with Delhi police, they will have to be arrested.
Well, you see, Delhi police again and again have been making announcement that you can see few farmers were here. They wanted to talk to the people, to the police. But again, police have said that that is their particular designated area. You can see they have come over here in trucks, on tractors, where they have ration for more than a month. They say that they will give dharna here itself. So police again and again is making announcement that if they have to speak to them, if they have to speak to media, then they speak to media in their designated area. Or if they want to speak to the police, they should have a proper delegation. Not more than 4 people should come over here. We saw earlier a delegation came and they wanted to go towards that side, because this border is very important. This is the Singhu border, where if they cross it, then they will surely reach towards the Delhi side, and that is why we see massive deployment of Delhi police over here. There is RAF that is being deployed, Central Armed Forces are deployed, and they have all their right gear in their place. And you can see water cannon and the other riot vehicles, Raj vehicles, they are all here. Situation as of now is very volatile. The farmers, they are saying they want to meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi, they want to go till Jantar Mantar, they want to give dharna over there. But as of now, you can see these are the barbed wires that has been put over here, and police is saying that they will not allow anybody to move towards that side. Another poster have been put up over here, given the fact that COVID-19 pandemic is still in force. Many people are suffering from COVID-19 in Delhi, and hence they have said that not more than 4 people will be allowed to go towards that side. So we have to wait and watch how the situation will proceed. But on my right side, you can see Delhi police is there. On my left side are the farmers, with a difference of around 100 to 200 meters. The situation is still volatile. The farmers are saying they will not budge from this particular area. They have said that around 1,000 trolleys with farmers and ration are coming towards this side from Kurukshetra, from Panipat, from Sonipat, and this is a very important road. This is the GT Canal road which connects Delhi to Sonipat, Panipat, Chandigarh, and all important cities of Haryana and Punjab. So we have to wait and watch how will the situation develop. But yes, police have made it sure that nobody will be allowed to move towards that side. Again, an announcement is being made. We'll just listen to what exactly the announcement is. Announcement is again being made.
आप सभी प्रदर्शनकारियों से गुजारिश की जाती है कि आप जो निश्चित स्थान है वहीं पर इकट्ठा होकर जो भी बात आपको कहनी है वहीं कीजिए, आगे बढ़ने की कोशिश ना करें। कोरोना महामारी के मद्देनजर और जो कानूनी दिशा निर्देश आपको बार बार दिए जा रहे हैं, इसको आप फॉलो करें, अन्यथा आप लोगों के खिलाफ सख्त कानूनी कार्रवाई की जाएगी। कुछ लोग जो है पुलिस द्वारा दी गई डायरेक्शंस को फॉलो कर रहे हैं, बाकी ये राइट साइड में 20-25 लोगों ने गैदरिंग की हुई है।
So I'll ask my camera person to show towards that side. So they are clearly saying that the farmers who have come over here, they should move towards that side, and they have clearly told that a strict action would be taken if they again come towards this side.
The cops are citing COVID-19 pandemic as one of the reasons for not allowing them to march ahead in such huge numbers. But apart from that, also there are clear instructions from the government to the cops to stop the farmers right at the borders, ask them to go back to their original place and not march ahead to Delhi. Bhavtosh is also joining me on the broadcast now. Bhavtosh, I believe you can also give us an update on the latest that we are picking up from Delhi police, that 9 stadiums. Okay, I think Bhavtosh is not able to hear me, but we will update our viewers that 9 stadiums reportedly need to be converted to makeshift jails, and the permission for that has been sought by Delhi police from Delhi government to allow them to do so, because if these farmers manage to march ahead to Delhi, they will obviously not be allowed to sit in protest or carry forward with their protest. They will have to be arrested, and if that happens, then such large number of farmers will have to be taken to these makeshift jails in some stadiums across the national capital. We'll take a very quick break here on the broadcast. All our reporters will continue to update us with the latest that they are picking up on the farmer protest. Keep watching.